The famous investor who made most of his money in stocks, Warren Buffett, has recently emphasized that Tesla will see a sharp increase in growth. I'm sure you're intrigued if you invest in Tesla. If not, I advise you to keep an eye on things. Perhaps you will learn a few things about the stock. Remember to click the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this. Elon Musk, the controversial CEO of electric vehicles, made fun of Warren Buffett's wealth in jest. To catch up, he proposes that a billionaire invest in his electric vehicle startup. In response to Musk, Buffett said in an interview that although he is not a shareholder in Tesla, he doesn't think less of Musk and his business. One of the most renowned and successful investors in the world is Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, and one of the most contentious investments on Wall Street is Tesla. It has consistently avoided high-growth businesses with large profit multiples and adopted a value investing approach for the market. For value investors like Warren Buffett, who has made a reputation for himself over the past few years for closing deals and sticking with companies he understands, General Motors is a great option. Although Tesla's gross margins are anticipated to decline as the company increases production of the more cheap model, Buffett's investment portfolio has held a variety of shares in the manufacturer. Arguably one of the strongest growth companies out there, Tesla's stock is predicted to rise more steadily and consistently going forward as a result of the company implementing advanced business tactics. Even the most seasoned Wall Street analysts find it difficult to predict the highs and lows of Tesla stock, which has seen many more highs than lows. This is demonstrated by the brand's constant superiority. The stock of the company, according to Wall Street estimates, reflects fluctuations in its Japanese gross. On March 14, it closed at 766.37, a 36% decrease from the year's peak on January 3, the first trading day of 2022. This was after the recently opened Bill implant celebrated its first deliveries on March 22nd in less than 3 weeks. The price of Tesla stock started to rise again. Tesla has succeeded in defying a bad industry trend wherein overall production has been markedly reduced because to a scarcity of computer chips in other regions of the world. As a result, since the company's original split in August 2020, shares have more than doubled. As you may have already guessed, there is a fascinating relationship between Buffett and Musk. In response to a recent Twitter discussion, Musk declared that he was worth more than Buffett, the founder of Microsoft. Bill Gates. Buffett need to consider purchasing Tesla. Most make jokes about how the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, has a net worth of $236 billion, more than Berkshire, based on the Bloomberg Billion Index. Hathaway, CEO of Hathaway in the past, Buffett has praised Musk as a remarkable person, but he has also said that he needs to be more cautious while tweeting and that he has space for improvement. Musk has acknowledged that he is not the biggest fan of Buffett, despite the fact that he has previously coded Buffett. In an earnings call for the Tesla results report, he questioned Buffett's altruistic grandfatherly qualities and described managing funds throughout Berkshire as a tiresome job. The CEO referred to Buffett's idea of using economic strategies for long-term competitive advantages, like a well-known brand or copyrighted technology, as being foolish. He claims that the most important measure of a company's competitiveness is how innovative it is. This is apparent in the way he handles Tesla, which has drawn criticism from many quarters. Elon Musk claims that he could completely upend a number of industries. Although the investor acknowledged that he is not a competitive innovator and made reference to Tesla's genius, it would be unwise to gamble against Elon Musk or Tesla. Buffett's prediction that Musk will be able to completely change the course of history this year was spot on. 2 other plants are likely to boost Tesla sales even further. With the grand launch of its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, Tesla has made great progress towards realizing its long-delayed goal of starting to produce its electric Cybertruck. In commemoration of the opening, Tesla also recently hosted a cyber rodeo, inviting attendees to eat, drink, and pay respects to Elon Musk. A new chapter in Tesla's destiny is about to begin, strongly addressing the assembled assembly. Musk said, "We need a site where we can be gigantic, and there's no place like Texas. We're going to do something big following the Fremont California vehicle plan, the Solar. Factory is located in Buffalo, New York, And one of the battery units is located in Sparks, Nevada. The firm now operates 4 facilities in the US, including this new factory. Less than 2 years had passed when Mosaic declared Austin would be the site of Tesla's new Gigafactory when this accomplishment was made. The new Gigafactory is anticipated to double Tesla's capacity in the United States, which was previously constrained by space at the firm's facility in Fremont, less than a year after the company formally moved its headquarters from California to Texas. According to California Moss, the company's production operations in California were overflowing. Any moment soon, Tesla is anticipated to reveal its first quarter sales results. Its global sales are predicted to be comparable to the 308,000 cars sold in the fourth quarter of 2021, a 67% rise over the first quarter of 2021, covering the entire amount because of low provide with record-breaking prices, Edmunds and Cox automobile projects. The new car sales in the US will drop by 15 percentage points from the same time last year. It is critical to keep in mind that the stock market functions as an anticipatory system, meaning that stock prices at any given time reflect the collective expectations of investors. All of the big automakers, including GM, in which Boxer has stock, have sold or plan to sell reasonably priced electric cars. GM is in a strong position to supply this gear in the US because of its manufacturing network. GM comprises 6 metalworking facilities, 4 component holding centers, 1 tooling center, 1 battery assembly plant, and powertrain factories. Furthermore, its industrial infrastructure is far superior to Tesla's, with 7 plants located in China and 4 assembly facilities located in Mexico and Canada. These 2 big companies have set up several forts to diversify their bets. The 2 companies' strategies have certain things in common, indicating that they are not as dissimilar as people had previously thought. In this period of limited supply, Tesla and its stock are currently doing better than many had predicted. It makes sense that a lot of investors, Warren Buffett included, anticipate Tesla's expansion to continue. The company is young and has an early view of the future that we will soon be living in. Innovation is the single most important determinant of a company's competitiveness, as Elon Musk has demonstrated to Barcher investors and the financial community. Despite not being an investment, it may be assumed that Buffett, privately, admires Musk's paradigm. This concludes the video. It is our sincere goal that this video provides you with some insight to help you make decisions about your future investments. Please leave a comment below expressing your belief about the future direction of Tesla stock, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in our upcoming video.